Getting ready to go to the gym. I thought I'd do a quick video about the Senior Referral Business. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Click the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, get all notifications of upcoming videos. Okay, how's this look? I would do this, but I wouldn't be able to see the screen. Actually, I can see the screen because that's what Ray-Bans do. But actually, I don't need these glasses. I need these glasses so I can actually see what in the world I'm doing. But if you go in some skilled nursing facilities, you might need a little bit of PPE. I'm going to tell you a little bit about that today. We're going to talk about this industry, as we always do on this channel. There's like 250 plus videos on this channel referring to the senior referral business, how to start, what to do. I got some hidden gems in these videos, man. There's some strategies. Now, I don't reveal all of it. Of course, that's in the academy. You have to go down below and watch a video, and excuse the link when you hit it, the 1 hour webinar. It does say a 15-minute action video or something like that. I'm changing the 1 hour to a 15-minute deal, so I apologize for that. But I want to get right to the video. You're probably bored senseless right now. Like, what is this guy rambling about? I want to talk about this business, what makes it so great. I'm in a sweatshirt and a hat, and I don't know if you work out of the house. Hopefully you do. Hopefully you make a great amount of money working out of your home. If you don't, if you're in between jobs, or you're working part-time, or you're just working somewhere where it sucks, you want to get into something else, man, click the link below. Would love to have a conversation with you. We've got some financing. You see up top where it says Senior Referral Business monthly payments. We've got monthly payments that through a finance company now. That just started about a week and a half ago. You'll get $3,000 per move in. That's another attribute of this business. Besides all that, one question I have received lately, people have reached out to me, and while we're talking on the phone, they're like, Matt, do you just teach this, or do you actually do this? And I actually do this. We have a referral agency here in the Fresno, California area for the last 2 years. We have exceeded expectations. We've done more business than any local agency in this area. At the end of the month, which will be the 25th of October, we're going to have 5 billboards throughout the city of Fresno and Clovis. And so people better see us that way. So you don't have to do all that. And I'm getting ready to show you my website. I'm getting ready to show you a couple students that I have in the academy, which we're in 20 different states now. So we got students throughout the country. And I actually have a prospective student hot off the press today. I think is signing up tonight. If this happens, man, I'm going to blast it all over the place, because this prospective student is from Canada. Woo! We will be international. It's awesome. I love it. So let's get right to it. Let me show you my website so you know what in the world I'm doing. I'm actually doing this, not just teaching. Okay, here's my website, Stafford Senior Solutions. You see the sign behind me as well. This is my home office, what I do, where I do it in my office. So again, I just don't only coach and teach and do an online course, because I am like referring to the Senior Referral Academy as an online course. It is the only referral academy in the country, number one. Number two, I don't just sell you a course, I coach you. You have direct access with me. But again, this is what I do, Stafford Senior Solutions. So we're going to scroll through here and see a little bit about all kinds of information. We deal with independent communities, residential care homes, assisted living communities, etc. I got in here how monthly cost. Clients can come in here and click and get a national average and local information about assisted living communities and all the rest that we help prospective clients with. So I'll show you that. We have testimonies. We've helped several hundred seniors in the last 3 years. It's been a joy. It's been a great ride. We love it. We're expanding to Vegas and all the other stuff you probably heard in other videos. These are the main things we look at in the industry. I look at state reviews, okay? Every state has different regulations. You have to understand what they are. Some states don't have any regulations. Right now in California, there is 0 regulations. 5 are forthcoming. Not yet. Maybe COVID slowed it up. I'm not sure. But state reviews is a huge thing that I look at. We keep their information private is a big thing. You'll see some national companies, and this is not the bag on them, okay? They do what they do and how they do it. It's their business model. They're successful. I just choose not to go that route. But they get somebody's information, and then they email that to 25, 30 different communities. It gets disseminated out there. It's a whole bunch of people. And then all those communities call that client, call that one person. Hey, we've got the best pool. We've got the best caregivers. We've got the best food. It's a telemarketing game. I don't do any of that stuff. So negotiation, we help our clients get the best deal possible. Try to get that cost down. Assisted living is very expensive. It's private pay. There's some programs, but 95% of it's private pay. So we try to get that cost down as best we can. And then family intel, because like I said earlier, we've helped several hundred seniors through the last 3 years. We have families that have told us, man, the care at that location is unbelievable. The food at that place sucks. They tell us everything. So we make notations about those different things in some folders, but we also reach out to the community and have a discussion about how we can improve or congratulate them for a job well done. Okay, here's some reasons why to choose us. I'm not going to read you all this. You can go to StaffordSeniorSolutions.com. You don't have to watch this video to see my website, but these are just some different things that make us stand out a little bit. Number one, I'll do the first one last. We are advocates for seniors, not just referral agents. That is at the core of my wife and I and who we are. We really see ourselves as the advocates, someone that's going to stand with the resident, help them out as best possible, whether we get paid or not, and making sure it's a safe place, doing our due diligence, not just referring people out. That's why I don't go the route of just disseminating information to a whole bunch of communities. I want to make sure it's a appropriate fit for the resident, have that open discussion with the family, why we believe it is an open fit or maybe it's not. They ultimately make the decision. We don't make the decision for them, but it's our job to do the research. So we do that. The last thing, all in between, but we offer Spanish, bilingual representative. We offer someone speaking Spanish. I was going to try to do a little bit in Spanish but I can't. I don't know how to speak Spanish. My wife does. She's bilingual, but we do a little bit of that too, and all the things in between. Let me show you a couple of websites from a couple of my students, one from Texas, one from Pennsylvania. They do a great job, so I want to highlight their websites as well, so you have a little bit of different perspective, not just seeing mine. The reason I want to show you a couple of different websites from different students in the academy, because it brings me a lot of joy to know they're being successful as well. That's the whole point and success of any online course. And again, I don't just view us as an online course, because I'm very much involved in their lives in the sense of, how they conduct business. They ask me a lot of questions. They can text me, email me. But let's take a look. First one is a student from Texas. This is a Lending Hand Senior Solutions. See all the information there. This is, her site, her different brand as far as colors. I like the layout of this. She offers an incredible service. Matter of fact, she's so incredible, her and her boyfriend. They have an agency in Texas and Missouri as well. And so these are some of the things they do. So again, a little bit of the same language, no obligation phone consultation, tours, negotiation, day of move-in, the big day. But it's well done, well done. Send your referrals, click here, set an appointment, all that kind of thing. But I want you to see this as well, because here's a photo gallery. And let's look at the senior living options. Assisted living, come here. Independent, memory care. These are some areas. Home health, home care, residential care homes, hospice. These are some areas that you can help refer clients to these organizations, to these companies, and you get money for this. The average move-in, the average referral fee that you'll get is $3,000. Now, in some areas, depending on the population, if you're from a big city, could be as high as $4,000, but usually it's $3,000, maybe up toward $3,500. Okay, the second student I'd like to highlight is a couple from Pennsylvania. They do a great job. They help residents in Pennsylvania, and they've helped residents throughout the country as well. They're fantastic. Love them. Let's see their website. Okay, We Care Senior Solutions from Pennsylvania. I like this. You can come over here. It pops up. If you have a question, you can click on it, put your mobile number in there, email your message, schedule a call. This website is very well done. Deciding on senior living community for a loved one can be hard to give the reasons why it's hard to do this. It just goes on and on, talking about a lot of things in this industry. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Very easy to follow. These are their favorite colors. I know, because I've talked to them about this. They came up with all this themselves. You'll notice a lot of my students put senior solutions, which I think is a great thing to do in their title. They don't have to. Others have picked other names, but you want it very simple, very basic, so someone knows what in the world you're talking about. Now, you will get sometimes you will get a phone call like I did about a month and a half, 2 months ago, And a gentleman called me and says, hey, I just had my front tires replaced and I've got a complaint. And I'm like, man, did he call the right place? I'm not a tire company. I said, sir, I could tell it was an older individual. I said, sir, how can I help you? And he began to tell me a story. And he says, yeah, they didn't give me a front end alignment. I feel like I've been taken advantage of. And so he goes on and on and on and on about his story. And I said, sir, what we do is we help seniors get into large communities, residential care homes. We help them with their health needs. He goes, oh, your website says Stafford Senior Solutions. I thought you provide solutions for seniors. So it could backfire, right? I don't know. But anyway, you want to keep your name simple. Okay, that was 2 of my students that I highlighted. I got a whole bunch of them throughout the country. The nice thing about this business is you don't have to start out with a website, right? I started my business with a $9.99 Wix website. That's what I was paying per month. It was really cheesy. It didn't look that good. It was hard to, move things around. No cut and bagging on Wix, but it just was difficult for me to do that site, even though it was very inexpensive. I think I paid like 10, 12 bucks for business cards, and I was off and running. So there's 3 ways you can get in the industry. One, you know the process, you know the business, you can do that. You can go buy a franchise for $35,000, pay the $1,000 monthly fee. You just spend about $100,000 over a 5-year time. Or you can jump into the academy. Now, you can jump in. We have a price if you pay today, and we have a finance deal as well. So you can click below, go to my website, seniorhomebusiness.com, and hit the computer. It'll look something like this. It'll say monthly payments. You see at the top of the screen. Click that. Go in there, put $4,500. That's the finance fee for what you're doing. Okay, that's the total cost of the academy being financed. Now, it's a little bit cheaper when you pay it all by yourself, but what it does is it opens up doors for you to pay maybe $100 to $150, $160 a month to get you started. That's the beauty about this whole thing, because a number of years ago when I was in a 1-bedroom apartment, I could not afford $4,000. I couldn't afford $3,000 right at the gate just to hand somebody for a business investment. Phone's ringing. I'm not going to answer it right now. I'm doing a video. I should tell him. Let me call you back. Call him back. I don't know who it was. It was some long distance number. Anyway, they'll probably call me back in a little bit. But that's the nice thing. Or you can jump into the academy and just pay like $100, $150, $160 monthly payments. When you go in, put $4,500. When you click the loan type, put other, get pre-approved. You'll get your money within 2 days, maybe 3. They say 48 to 72 hours, and then you'll be in the academy. You'll be in the academy after that. Somebody's calling me here. Hang on a second. Oh, it's Matt. Hello. I'm sorry. I'm doing a video. Who's this? No, my wife speaks Spanish. Are you calling from Mexico? Are you calling from Mexico? I see a Mexico number. What? Say again? Can you repeat that? I couldn't hear you. Okay, go ahead. All right, now I'm up. Okay. Anyway, so you can jump right in. Click on other, $4,500. It's a 60-second application process. Fill that out. I'll get notification that you've applied. We'll connect. You'll get your money. Pay a couple $100 a month, $150, $100, depending on FICO score. You have to make, I think, between $30 and $35. I'm sorry, not $30, $35, $30 to $35,000 per year annual income to qualify as well. So go ahead and do that. I would love to see you on the other side and be your coach and get you started on a senior referral business where you work out of your house and make a 6-figure income. Let's get you going today.